In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get orbs in Discord, and we'll do this in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting, understanding this process can really enhance your experience in the platform. So let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Discord website. Open your preferred web browser and type in discord.com. Once there, keep an eye out for the login option if you aren't already signed in. It should be prominently displayed on the homepage, so go ahead and click on Log In. If you find yourself having trouble locating it, it's typically in the upper right corner of the Discord homepage. Make sure you have your username and password handy, as you'll need these to access your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at what is known as the Discord home. This is where you can see all your servers, direct messages, and essentially, it's the control center of your Discord world. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area if you are new, as the more comfortable you are here, the more seamless your experience will be. Next, you need to direct your attention to the left sidebar, or the server list. Here, look for a feature called Quests. This feature might not be immediately apparent to everyone, particularly if you're not involved in servers that utilize it actively, but it's generally listed along with other server channels. If you're struggling to find it, it could be under channels or dedicated sections as per your server admin's configuration. Once you've found and clicked on Quests, now's the time to unearth the wide variety of quests available to you. This is your primary portal to acquiring more orbs. Browse through the list and find a quest that piques your interest. They can vary widely in theme and complexity, so there's likely something for everyone. When you've decided on a quest, the next step is simple yet essential. Click on Accept Quest. This confirms your participation and officially registers you for completing the task outlined in the quest. After accepting, read through any instructions or details associated with the quest carefully, as understanding what is required will ensure you successfully earn those valuable orbs. Remember, quests can be a fun and engaging way to interact with the Discord community, and collecting orbs can often lead to new achievements or rewards within the platform. So, take your time, enjoy the experience, and before you know it, you'll be a seasoned orb collector. And there you have it. You're well on your way to mastering how to get orbs in Discord. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials. Have a great day, and happy questing!